Hello, my friends. It's Sandy. This is my Nutcracker two-page workshop. Started with the Nutcracker Tag Kit. The kit itself comes with three each of the four different designs of tags. So I divided it into three different projects. Get three of these kits, all out of one of the Nutcracker kits. I added in some cardstock. So we've got, there's my notes on the back. I added Poppy Parade, Shy Shamrock, Granny Apple, Green, and Garden Green, cardstock and inks, and my two new favorite things that go live in November. Get them, you guys. I know that the dies are going to sell out. Get them while you can. This is the Swirled Designs, stamps and dies. Get them in the bundle. You get the discount for it. Wait till you see all of the amazing things that I'm doing with it. It's just so easy to use, and you can't go wrong adding it into anything. So there's my little sales pitch for you. Okay, so you're gonna create these two pages if you get my kit, or if you've got a kit for yourself, all you need is some black cardstock, two bases, and that star die, and then two white cardstock. If you use 8.5 by 11, that will fit your purposes. You're just going to cut it down a little bit and get your ovals. Everything else, oh, and some bling, whatever bling you've got, everything else is right out of that kit, right? So amazing how it all falls together. So if you get my kit, here's what you get. You get, now this one's already cut out because I punched them all out for the video, but I'm not going to really actually do it because it's so simple, right? So you take your two 12 by 12s, get your white pieces attached. You're going to add your photo mat. So we've got all the different sizes and colors of the photo mats there. You've got your two ovals, your star shape, your bling, your thread, and all of your punch out pieces. Let me pull them right out of here. That's noisy, sorry. Okay, so we've got shears. Now, if you got one of the kits that has all the different language sentiments in it, that's fun too. But look at all these pieces that come in these kits. So you take, the hat, and you can pop it up and create this extra layer of hat on there. Same thing with hers. It's got that gold glitter embellishing on it. So you're just going to layer up all of your pieces, got all your fun sentiments, and bingo bango. Oop, let's not lose our mustache. Let me pull this up close again so you can see. So we've got our stamping using this stamp set right here. We've got that swirl and the splatters, the stars, the lines, that blobby smush, and this one's my absolute favorite. I just love that design. So we've got that going on both sides of the layout. Wherever you put the photo mat, that's where you're going to put that color. So that's how you get all those colors splattered all over. And this is just each one of those tags cut down so that you're using half of it on one side and half of it on the other. Make some of them longer, some of them shorter, so you can stagger them out. The end, you guys. Isn't it awesome? All with that Nutcracker Tag Kit, which, yes, right now is sold out. Keep watching, get your name on the list so that when they come back, you can get one for yourself. Thanks for watching, friends. Tell me what you think.